Those of us born in the last century kind of have it difficult when it comes to how we do things in vehicles with power. Because we started off with the cigarette lighter, 12-volt outlet, and everything worked off of that. Then along came USB-C, and then we got our USB, and then we got USB-C, and now last couple of years, at least the EU is everything's got to be USB-C. So we got three different ways of charging things, and we got accessories that take the old way and the new way, and what to do. And these things came with a 12-volt outlet or a cigarette lighter only. These trucks, the CUVs and the Chevys. So I was, excuse me. Let me show you what we have here. Let me get them zeroed in. Yeah, that should show the lighter area, the ashtray area. So I don't smoke. Despite my coughing, I don't smoke. And the ashtray comes out. Well, this one doesn't even have an outlet. So I was going to make a panel to go over here and put make it so I can put a 12-volt outlet, just because I have things that plug into that. And I was going to get a newfangled USB-C / voltmeter all at the same time put in there. And before I started making the panel, I was like, let me Google that. And I found this thing right here. Look at that. It fits right in. And these, I just got to drill holes to make them mount in. I found this. I'll put a link in the description. But square body Chevy ashtray panel is, I think, what I did. And I was looking for ideas on what to build. And it's a little bit loose like that, but it doesn't want to come out, so I'll be able to plug stuff in and whatnot. I thought that was kind of neat. And yeah, this hole's too small for any of these. And I don't have the seat wired in yet, because I'm going to make my wire this one, wire that in too. I'm probably going to put some kind of plug, because getting to the back of this is not easy. And I'm probably going to make something I can plug or unplug real easily. In case I got to get in there for wiring service. But yeah, I thought it was I like that. Yeah, square body Chevy ashtray panel is what that is. And the same people, they have a cup holder that attaches there. All kinds of interesting things. But yeah, I'll report when I get that wired in. And I might be doing this to my other vehicles too. What I also did, you can see go back to the other side. I'll take you over there. I'll just take you over here. I don't run into everything on the way. I'll put a link to this. Let me get back to the normal size. I'll put a link to this in the description. I just took a piece of angle iron, aluminum angle iron, drilled 2 holes, but there's no hole there. I made it down here first for down below, but that was just too low for the phone. I like it up here. And only got 1 screw hole, and I put a little slit there for this thing to fit on, but this is the clip that's supposed to go to vents on the newer vehicles. So it works out just great. And phone goes there. Once I get the power hooked up with the panel down there, I'll be able to charge the phone on there instead of just mount it. But yes, doing improvements to the interior and simple little things. I'll put a description of this, which you can link to through Amazon. That I got off of Etsy, whoever the shipping company was. But that's a square body Chevy people making 3D printed things. Anyway, things that help.